this, that, these, those. They are known as demonstrative pronouns. They are used to point at specific people or things. This and that are singular. These and those are plural. This and these are used to refer to things that are close. That and those are used to refer to things that are far away. Let's see some examples. This, this, that, that, these, these, those, those. Let's recap. This singular for things that are near. This book. That singular also for faraway things. That book over there. These plural for things that are near. These books, you have to add an S at the end because it's plural. Don't forget it. Those plural also for faraway things. Those books. It's time for a quiz. You got 35 seconds to complete the task. Do you want these? That's your gift. Those mushrooms look tasty. This is your sister, isn't she? These toys belong to my son. I like that car. Finally, this is our taxi. Look, are these yours or mine? Those flowers are beautiful. You can support me by subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, sharing my videos with your friend and family. It will save my life somehow. And you can also donate to my channel through coffee. The link is in my video description down below. You want to speak like a native? Text me on Instagram and Facebook and we will discuss the price. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. See you soon. Goodbye. Take care. Be safe. Bye bye.